For your paper sculpture menu board, you'll need one regular sized piece of paper for the base. This is what you will glue everything to. For your technique examples, you'll need more paper. I have different colors of construction paper, but you can use any type or color of paper you can find. The first paper sculpture technique I'm going to show you is tabs. I have a rectangular piece of paper and I'm going to make little cuts along one edge. The cuts are made about 1 inch apart. That's about the width of 2 fingers put together. These will be the tabs. When I'm done cutting, I'll take the first tab and fold it up, like this. Then I'll take the next tab and fold it up, but this time on the opposite side. This creates little feet for your paper to stand on. Keep switching sides as you fold each tab up. And it looks pretty cool when you put it down on the base. The next technique I'll show you is a roll. I'm going to make a roll with a long skinny rectangle, but you can make rolls with any size or shape of paper. All you have to do is make a roll is roll the paper up and attach the ends together. If you've ever made a paper chain, you might already be an expert at this technique. The next technique I'll show you is an arch. Again, I'm using a long skinny rectangle. On one end, I'll make a little fold. I'll do the same on the other end. Now my rectangle has feet that I can glue to the base, and it will make an arch. The next technique I'll show you is an accordion fold. If you've ever made a paper fan, you've done an accordion fold. Take a piece of paper of any size or shape and make a small fold on one end. Then flip the paper over and fold again. Keep flipping and folding until you can't fold anymore. Accordion folds are a fun addition to any paper sculpture because they add some texture. The next technique might be the trickiest, so watch closely. I'm going to show you how to make a cone. First, you need to cut a circle out of a piece of paper. And remember, when you cut a circle, you turn the paper with your helper hand while your working hand cuts. Next, fold the circle in half, and this creates a line down the middle. Cut along that line, but stop when you reach the middle of the circle. Now you have these 2 little flaps on either side of the cut you made. Overlap those flaps to make a cone. You'll need glue or tape to hold it together. Another fun technique that adds texture is fringe. Just like when I made the tabs, I'll make little cuts along the edge of my paper, but now my cuts are very close together. You can attach the fringe to your base any way you want. I'm going to fold the bottom and give it a foot to stand on. The last technique that I'll show you is a curl. Now to make a curl, I like to use a pencil or pen to wrap the paper around, but you could probably use your finger too. I'll take this little piece of paper and I'll wind it as tightly as I can around the pen. Then when I take it off, you'll see that it's curly. Attach every paper sculpture technique example that you made to the base. You can use glue or tape to do this. Arrange them any way you want, and now you can use this menu board to remember different paper sculpting techniques.